Quick tour of the lake kayak. Straps up front. 1, 2, honestly 3, and a 4th strap there to hold it together. Got a nice little cushion seat bottom, footrest, handle here for carry. Let's pop in. Easy sit inside. You got a footrest there so you can actually paddle nicely. It's got it a little tight right now, but that can be easily adjusted by the straps here and here. We also have straps at my seat, or at my hips, for the seat back. Pretty comfy seat back actually. And we got these straps. They stay in the kayak. Oru. And the paddle's over there. We're gonna test it out. I had to get on the water this week.